Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am partnering up with Vesca Beauty to bring you guys a day to night makeup tutorial because this video is sponsored by them. So if you guys would like to see that, then just stay tuned. Okay, so hopefully you guys saw the video I did not too long ago where I created an easy, soft glam, you can wear pretty much like anywhere type look where that only had like 2 steps. Basically, I'm gonna recreate that, and that's gonna be our day look, you know, simple, anything like that. And then I'm going to show you later on how you can touch it up if you did have to wear your makeup throughout the day to different places. So I'm going to start out with this Wonder 2 eye stick shadow in Antique Bronze, and you're just going to focus that like kind of out here and in that V area, and just, you know, draw it on. And then you blend that out so it's not so rough around the edges. And then this one in Sandstorm as the lid-ish color, and just draw it in. And see, look, you don't even have to worry about fallout. I'm gonna use this ColourPop concealer. I've pretty much been using it ever since I tried it in that video. To conceal under my eyes, obviously, and blend that out. I just looked directly into my LED lights. I'm not gonna be able to see for the rest of the video now. Love that for me. I was trying to set my camera settings a couple days ago, like over the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. So I had my brother sit here while, you know, I played around with it, and he was staring at me like with these lights on, like directly at them. I was like, sir, are you okay? Like, you don't notice you're staring directly into the lights? And he's like, you're standing right there. Where else am I supposed to look? Not into the bright lights in front of you. Like, I had to say that, sir. Like, you already can't see. Like, both of us already can't see. What are you doing to yourself? At this point, it honestly truly would not be me if I didn't use Born to Glow as my foundation. Pretty sure besides, you know, 12 Days of Foundation Hunt, like every video you guys have watched this month is Born to Glow. I'm gonna use these 2 hockey puck powders from ABH to set my under eye. So back to Vesca Beauty. If you guys did not catch the first video that I uploaded on them, they are a new makeup brand. They've launched with their first product, and it's 7 bronzer shades. Yes, it's 7 bronzer shades. They are smooth, blendable, pigmented. I have the 2 shades here, the one that I use and the deepest one. So the one that I use and the deepest one. So this is the deepest shade, Tahiti. That is what this shade looks like. And then the shade that I use out of the 7, called Kissed by Bali, which is this shade. So I'm actually going to use Tahiti to contour with today. Again, you know, it's got that blendability where I can use it as my contour. It's not going to, you know, make my foundation patchy or pick up or stuff like that. So I'm gonna just, okay, see, you ain't gotta do that much to it. I'm not trying to have a dramatic contour either. Let me just brush it off a little bit, and I'm just gonna apply that over here. And then my shade Bali as bronzer. So those retail for $30 each. I will have all the information to the brand and these bronzers linked in the description down below. I'm going to move on to blush. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier in Cur Royal here. Okay, cute color. You know, for the daytime look, you can go a little easier on blush there. And then you can really just finish that off with a gloss. This is Mented's the Baby Brown. You know, just like that, got a quick, cute little office holiday party or something like that. Throw this on, you're ready to go. Now, let's say you got somewhere to go after that where, you know, you got to put a little bit more pep in your step there, or in this case, your look. I'm gonna show you how you can do that with as little extra products that you need to carry with you throughout the day as possible. So I'm gonna start by running this brow gel through my brows. Now for my eyeshadow, you see how it's kind of like this dome ish shape. We're gonna make it a little bit more cat-like with a black. If you have a single pan black, that's even less that you have to carry throughout the day, but I'm just using the first black that I picked up, and very, very lightly go in with this black, because y'all know things can go left real quickly with black. Speaking of that, shout out to this packaging that it's still this color. I don't know if it's like the texture of the packaging, but you know, usually with this color packaging, I'm a little nervous, especially, you know, with me, everything that I'm touching and stuff like that, but she's doing good so far, so gotta give him that. And then I'm just going to start out here and build my way in. Yes. You can touch up on blush a little bit. Ooh, caught it. And then for my lips, I'm gonna throw this ColourPop lipstick in Slow Dance over, right over the gloss. And this French Maid all up in the middle. You know, we'll still fit in with the whole holiday theme, but I feel like, you know, she's getting a little summer bronzy vibes in the winter. Summer in the winter? Anyone? Marion? He had more than just Icebox, all right? Actually, I am wrong. Summer in the Winter is not a Marion song. He's just featured in it. But still, all right? He still had more than just Icebox, all right? Touch. But the point is, it could be, you know, year-round, but given the time of year that it is right now, I'm just saying in that scenario where you might have to do, you know, holiday party in the morning, but a little bit less there on your face, and then holiday at night where you're trying to show out, this could work there. And yeah, I feel like that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, shout out to Vesca Beauty. I hope, you know, seeing how easy it can be to go from a day to night look where you won't need to carry that much with you, especially if you're like me and you don't really like touching up that much throughout the day. And yeah, so make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.